Hi there, it's Wendy Hernandez, attorney and creator of Command the Courtroom. In this week's video, I want to talk with you about home studies. So, in many cases, I've had judges order home studies, and home studies can be ordered for different reasons. I want to give you a little bit of information about the types of cases where I've had judges order home studies and how those home studies looked in those particular cases. So in one case I had probably more than 10 years ago, my client, the father, had built a really cool koi pond in his backyard, and it was actually quite deep. And a dispute arose when he did that because he shared a 5 or 6-year-old little boy with his ex. And when father built the koi pond, mom got really worried that the little boy could escape from the home or go outside and get into the koi pond and possibly drown. And my client maintained that he had put a lot of precautions in place to make sure that would never happen. But it turned into a big argument. We ended up going to court over it, and the judge in that case ordered a home study. And there was a very limited purpose of the home study in that case, and the purpose was to determine the safety of father's home and whether in fact there was a chance that the child could get out of the house without father's knowledge and hurt himself. So in that case, the person conducting the home study went to dad's house, took a look around, looked at the koi pond, looked at the latches on the door that father had put in, and she wrote a report to the court. And ultimately she determined that father had put enough precautions in place and it wasn't going to pose a danger or threat to the child. And as a result of that, father's parenting time was allowed to continue without any restrictions. So that was a very limited purpose in that case. I've had other cases where judges have ordered home studies because one parent or the other is saying that a child is not adjusted well to a parent's home or that a child is being mistreated in the home. So in cases like that, the person conducting the home study conducts more of a comprehensive investigation, and they might go to both parents' houses while the child is there and observe the interaction that the child's having with both parents. And so of course we all know that when we know that somebody's filming, we all act differently. So I don't know how reliable that is, but I've seen judges do that often. In those types of cases, the home study person may also go to the home when the child is not there to take a look around, look at the conditions in the home, interview the parents, and then provide a report to the judge. So in custody evaluations, definitely home studies are done as part of the custody evaluations, and those are really comprehensive, and those merit a video of their own, maybe a series of videos, which I'm looking at doing. I'm trying to find somebody to help me do that, a professional who would conduct a custody evaluation. But essentially a home study is a situation where a court appoints somebody to come and take a look at your home, either a condition or the interactions in the home. So if you're a person who's thinking a home study is appropriate, by all means ask for it, but make sure that you have valid grounds for doing so. And if you're the person who's going to have a home study done at your home, make sure that you clean up, that you lock up all firearms if you have any, that you put away anything that might pose a danger to the child or children, and that you have everything in order. So that's going to do it for this week. Until next week, remember to keep on trucking and command the courtroom. And don't forget to like this video if you like it, subscribe on YouTube, like us on Facebook, and keep on following us for more good info.